So, is this a bull trap? I don't know, maybe it's not, let's see. Now, this is the second time I'm making this video, because I made the same video earlier today, but for some reason I thought it was Saturday and it's actually Friday. That means that a lot of stuff that I talked in the video wasn't valid anymore. So, let's try again. The video title was Bull Trap ? Was this a bull trap? Okay, and I said yes, it was a bull trap, because everybody went crazy about, because we broke outside side of the triangle, and I said no, take it easy, we are not out of the triangle. And then we went out to the triangle while the video was uploading to YouTube. And then I figured out, oh, look at that, CME futures, it's Friday, they still open. So that kind of messed up my video mostly. So what I was saying in the video, and let's go to the Binance. This is the Binance chart, right? So it broke out of the triangle and we went up, and we actually broke out down here. If you look at the, let's move this one here. We broke out down here, right? And then it went all the way up here, and people were just madly bullish. They're still madly bullish. Everybody's madly bullish, but I'm not. I see some kind of I'm bearish. I'm bear right now. So anyways, why should I be a bearish and while everybody's bullish? Like, what do I see that they don't see, or what I'm not, or what am I missing? Like, seriously, I thought, well, once this went up, I thought, oh you know, I thought I was wrong, you know, like everybody's right beside me, like mainstream wins. And then I was like, am I really wrong? And then I checked the CME future chart, right? And you have to ignore this last part here, okay? That's after I threw the video in the trash that this happened. But before this pump over the line, we did not break the triangle. We were still inside the triangle, right? Okay, this when I was making this video, this didn't happen. Okay, so we were still in the triangle, and my plan was still working flawlessly. And then what happened was, it isn't Saturday, it's Friday, and we pumped above the line, and we actually broke the line. And then I was like, oh man, what am I gonna do now? You know, we were supposed to go down, not up. You know, what's happening? And then I had to do some technical analysis to find a new explanation for how we're gonna go down again. Okay, so now that everybody is like in the seventh heaven, thinking we are going to 20,000 tomorrow, and I'm saying no, still airside divergence on the daily, still not closed CME gap. Let's see where can we like find some kind of hope to go down. Okay, where can we find some kind of hope? And I think I know where I can find some hope. Firstly, the big lines, the big triangle is not broken out yet. I mean, I know it's two touches, you know, two touches here and touch here, and there is no third touch. So it's kind of weak, you know, but it is kind of some kind of top, like big top. So we have to take that into the consideration, and that hasn't been broken. I mean, if this line gets broken, I'm gonna say, okay, F it, you know, we are bullish now, you know, F the CME futures gap, you know, and all of that, because I said that we believe in CME futures gap until the day it does not work anymore, until the day it's not valid. But as long as it's valid, you know, as long as it always gets closed, like, just go with the flow, you know. So right now we're gonna remove this one, and this is the new triangle. That's the new triangle. Okay, so we were here, broke out of it, now this is the new triangle, and that's that. So we still got triangle. Okay, so now the plan is like go down and then down. Okay, so my plan is still in the books. Now the second reason this plan is actually quite good, and it stopped here for really good reason, is if we look at the daily and we look at the moving averages on the daily, And you can see here, you can see the red line, that's the 20 moving average, and the yellow is the 50 moving average, and it stopped on the 50. And this is really important because if it got resisted on the 50, this is third time it got resisted on the 50. Here it tried to pass the 50, here it hit the 50, went down, and here is now third time we're hitting the 50. And we are not breaking the 50. Now, this is important because we are looking at CME futures chart, right? Because if you look at the Binance chart or some other charts, you can also see here that we didn't cross the 50 line, but here we are above the 50. So technically, if you look at some other charts and looking what the charts you are following and doing the technical analysis on, is really, really important. So that's why I'm saying, like, not all charts are made equal, you know, in the eyes of whoever. So we are following the Bitcoin CME futures chart, and on this chart, it didn't break the 50. It didn't break the 50. It didn't break the 50, and that's really, really good. Because now I know, Les Rastani would say the more price hits the line, the bigger the chance is gonna break it, and that might happen. But as long as it keeps under it, and we have this new triangle now, the chances for us to go down from here is really good. Because right now, like, when we are down here, you know, a lot of people are bullish. Ivan Tech was bullish, the Moon was bullish, Crypto is always bullish, like Jeb was bullish, like a lot of people are bullish. But so going down, no, sorry, they were also bearish, like we can go up, we can go down. But now they are really like, okay, this is 20,000 bull run starting and everything. So I think there's a good chance when mainstream is want to go out that we are gonna go down. So this move here was actually good because they're looking at Binance and Coinbase charts and Bitfinex charts, you know, and even BitMEX chart, but the one chart that works, and we should all be following CME futures chart. I don't know. I've been looking at other charts, you know, I draw the same trend lines, I draw the same moving averages and stuff like that, but the CME futures gets it correct better for me than the other charts. So what kind of charts are you looking at? It's really important. So I just wanted to come out and say I was stupid for thinking it's Saturday when it was Friday, but now it's close to Saturday. So this is gonna close most likely, if something doesn't happen and breaks the 50 moving average, it's gonna close below the 50 moving average. And as long as it's close below 50 moving average, the next week it's likely we're gonna go down, break the 20 and continue down to where I said we are going to go down. You can check my other videos. I said definitely down video. I don't want it to go down, but I feel we have to go down to close the CME futures gap and correct the RSI divergence. And after that, of course, we're going to go down up to 20,000 and then 100,000 and 300,000 or whatever the price target is, right? So that's it, and thank you for watching this far in the video, because you are probably one of the 30% of the people that make it to the end of the video. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, if you want to see more of my videos, help my channel. Thanks a bunch, don't lose money, have fun and all of that shebang.